Here's another excellent Olymp trade strategy using the Ultimatefxtools trading method. We achieved an approximate 70% return rate, making it a solid option for beginners. We have selected 8 currency pairs. Ensure that these are not OTC, as they will not match the MetaTrader 4 currency pairs. Our template for the strategy is already set up, but if you need instructions on installing and attaching the indicators to the chart, please refer to the tutorial in the description below. Let's right-click to the chart, then Template, then Ultimatefxtools. Template file also included. We got an alert coming from our MetaTrader 4 GBP AUD got buy alert. Let's navigate to our MT4 GBP AUD chart, and as we can see, it generates an up arrow based on our alert. Then our stochastic here reaches bottom level, and with our ultimate trend as its maximum support level, having red-colored line. Let's trade going up on this. Make sure to have 5 seconds Heiken Ashi candle, and for the duration, let's keep it for 1 minute, as this will give us high winning rate based on our trading experience using this method. As we can see on our Olymp trade chart, our trade is going against our indicator's prediction. You can adjust your trading strategy, either stop defending the current trade or open a new set of trades to recover the losses. Let's place 3 recovery trades here. This method also known as the martingale method. The trend is rising. We were fortunate with the prediction that the indicator provided, and won our first trade, as well as the subsequent trades. If you are new to trading, make sure to risk only 1% of your total balance per trade. This helps prevent massive losses, and makes it easier to achieve your daily target of 3 to 5%. Let's wait for another signal to appear. We got Euro AUD, a buy alert confirmation. And as we can see, all of our indicators position are tradable, confirming for high win rate for the next minute. Let's trade up on this. Seconded with another alert for Euro AUD. The trend goes up, and got our winning trade on that. Euro JPY got buy alert, but as we can see, there is no confirmation for our trend to go upwards. Our oscillator is not on its maximum support level, and with our ultimate trend indicator, is not on its maximum support level, on where it will create a red line. But let's try to trade with it if the strategy works or not. I recommend not to initiate on this. A 50-50 situation here, unfortunately. That trade goes fail and a losing trade. Euro AUD got a buy alert confirmation, and a good spot to trade aiming for the trend to go up for the next minute. See the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies like this, and soon you will become one of top leading trader. Euro USD a buy alert. And a good spot here to trade to go up.